Adding a page in WordPress. Once you've logged in, on the left hand side you'll see your menu. You'll see the word Pages. Just click on Pages. Now you can come down to Add New, but let's go to Pages first. And you'll see a list of your pre-existing pages. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a page called Sample. We click on the word Add New. And we type in the title there. Now we can do content, we'll do that in another video clip. We've made the word sample. Over here it says parent page. Now a standard page, if we have a look at the website, this menu across the top has no drop downs. So in essence each of those is an individual page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sample page a sub page of steps to having a website. If we come back to the screen at the beginning and it says parent, we can choose a parent. Now in this case I'll say steps to having a website. So we'll click on that. I'll just put a couple of X's on the page just for the moment, just for example's sake, and click on publish. So before we do that, we'll just recap. We've clicked on add new page, which is under pages. We've clicked the name of the page that we'd like to call it. We've chosen whether or not to make the page a sub page. Obviously, if we don't have anything, if we say no parent, then it wouldn't be a subpage. So we click on steps to having a website. If we want it as a subpage, put in a little bit of content, which we'll edit later. This is just for tutorial purposes. And click on publish. A few seconds later, that will blink. Generally, once again, look at your progress bar. Apple Macs have it up the top. Internet Explorer down the bottom. Go across to your website. What I've done here is opened up a second tab and then just refresh. You won't see much of a change, except that now you've got this little arrow, and that would take us to a sample page. Remember, if we hadn't have chosen sub page or haven't given it a parent, it would literally appear here. Most of the time it's alphabetical, although not always. So we've created a page called sample. We would have expected to see it somewhere in amongst that top row or as a subpage. If we literally then click on it, you'll see the new page that we've created, and of course all we had as far as content was XX. That's how you create a page. Let's show you how to delete a page. Click on Pages on the left hand side, find the page that you want to delete and simply hover the mouse. You'll notice when you bring the mouse over that extra lines appear. So go to the sample page we just created and click on Trash. Wait a few moments. That page will be gone. It's blinked out, it's gone. Come back to your other copy of your web page which is open. And if you don't have that, over here you'll notice it's got Add a tab, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, they all have it. And just simply open two pages at once. Makes it easier to see what you're doing. Anyway, we've deleted that sub page, it doesn't exist, so let's hit refresh. And you'll notice it's now gone. It's saying not found because it's still on that old page that we had before. You can just click on home or anything else and you'll notice that it's vanished, it's no longer there. That's it, that's how you create a page, that's how you delete a page.